What's up guys, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, here in this video I'd like to show you how to create this animation video. And here I just need two picture and combine it into this AMV video. There you go guys. So here I will show you the step by step how to create this animation video, and I'm using the CapCut to create this video, how to use it on and how to create it. So let's get into it. So the first thing I would do is I will go back to the project here. Then I will choose the two picture from my gallery. And after that, I will remove this picture first, or the watermark of the CapCut, and also choose the ratio to become 9:16. And after that, I will choose this clip. I will choose this clip. Then I will do the motion or movement by adding the keyframe here. Let's say I will start it from this position. Then I will add the keyframe here, and I will drag this picture or expand this picture that showing the object that this Goku will be ready to hit or punch someone. Then I will add the keyframe on the beside. Then I will minimize the picture and go to this object. Make sure that you will position this picture very precise. Then I will move to the last second of this clip and add the keyframe. Then I will minimize this picture so it will be fit with the screen. There you go, and let's see the result. And I will also add the effect here. The effect I will choose is the shake or shaking here, and also the body effect. Then I will choose the sound wave. There you go, this is the first effect for the first clip. Then we will go to the second clip. I will duplicate this picture, then overlay it. Then I will move it down in the between of the clip 1 and clip 2. I will add the effect of this picture first, or the second clip first. I will add the keyframe. Then I will zoom it a little bit. Oh, it can be zoomed if you have the overlay picture right down below here, so it must be alone. It's like there's no intervention from the another overlay. There you go. And then I will minimize it again until it fits to the screen. And there you go. Okay, and I will also add the effect here. Name fall light fall. I'm sorry. There you go. Then we will go into the overlaid picture here. Make sure that it is already fit to the screen. Then I will slightly move it to the right. Let's say I would like to make the or create the transition. It's or this picture it's like the shadow. Then finally it's appear here. I will create it since this right on this blurry effect, and there you go. Then I will start to give the keyframe of this picture. Then I will go to the mask circles. ah I'm sorry, it's better to not or put the keyframe first. It's better to create the shadow first. I will resize this first until it's not visible. As small as you can. Okay, and then I will add the keyframe, and then I will move to the this picture. Then I will slowly create the effect that this picture slightly visible. Expand it with your two fingers. And move it a little bit. Slow but sure. This effect and this transition will be shows very smoothly. And to the last second. Makes this picture look all over. And let's see the result. There you go, guys. Please don't forget to practice it into your device, and please let us know if this step-by-step tutorial and trick also work for you. And please don't forget to give the like and subscribe for this channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching.